Welcome to day 3 dinner.
For dinner tonight, we will be having summer salad and broccoli soup.
Now this soup and salad combo is very nutrient dense.
And the beautiful part about it is that it will leave you feeling light and grounded because it's packed with tons of raw veggies.
So to start, we're going to begin by cooking the quinoa first that we're going to be using for the salad, and then we're going to at the same time cook the soup because they will take about the same amount of time to prepare.
So put your quinoa on the stove and let it do its thing, and let's move back over to the soup.
So to begin to create our broccoli soup, we're going to start by chopping up the veggies. We're going to chop the garlic, we're going to chop the onions, the celery, and the carrots.
Then you're going to take those chopped up veggies and put it in a pot with a little bit of olive oil and some salt and pepper.
Then you want to stir fry that for maybe about 4 to 5 minutes just to let the flavor soak in a little bit. Maybe add a little splash of vegetable stock as well if you like. After that, we're going to add all the broccoli and the remainder of our liquid, which is the coconut milk and the vegetable stock.
So stir it all up together and make sure all the broccoli is submerged. Then you're going to place a lid on the pot and set it to simmer. It's probably going to take about 20 minutes or so, but as you're getting closer to that 20-minute mark, you're going to want to check it with a fork and make sure that all the vegetables are super soft, because the next step when it's ready is it's going to go in a blender.
So now we're going to move to the salad. We're going to start first by crushing up the almonds. You want to make sure that the almonds become super fine.
Now we're going to move to the greens. As you chop up the greens, you want to chop them up as finely as possible as well. Then when you move to the veggies, you're going to cut them into tiny little pieces too.
Then this is where the fun part comes. We're going to add our papaya here. Now for the papaya first, you want to slice it in half and you want to scoop out all the inside seeds out. Then once the seeds are out, you're going to peel the papaya and then start chopping up the papaya.
Next comes the avocado. Take the pit out of your avocado and chop it up into cubes.
And then finally, the last ingredient before the dressing is going to be our quinoa. So hopefully the quinoa is already ready. So just take a scoop of that quinoa and top up the salad with the quinoa. And then to finish off, we're going to create that dressing. Now the dressing we're using today is super simple. We're going to be taking some olive oil, and then we're going to put some basil, sea salt, and pepper, and a little bit of lime juice, and just stir it up.
Then you're going to take your dressing and your bowl with all of your salad ingredients and pour it on top, and then mix it all thoroughly together.
Now that the salad is done, let's move back to the soup.
So take everything that's in your pot and throw it all into a blender.
Blend it up, and then from there you got your soup. We want to put it into your bowl, and we like to garnish it with some cayenne pepper to give it that extra kick. And there you have it, your summer salad and broccoli soup.